Today we will discuss electric dipole. What is electric dipole? किसको कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल? मोनोपोल तो हमने सुना था, एक प्लस चार्ज हो या एक माइनस चार्ज हो, ये मोनोपोल है, ये मोनोपोल है। इसका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हमने निकालना सीखा था इस तरह से, है ना, आउटसाइड इस तरह से। इसका क्या था, इनवर्ड था ऐसे। ये हमने पढ़ा था मोनोपोल। तो मोनो माने एक और डाइपोल माने दो। तो जिसके दो डाइपोल हो, दो पोल हो, यानी वो डाइपोल हो गया। तो इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल इज ए सिस्टम ऑफ टू इक्वल एंड अपोजिट चार्जेस separated by small distance, and that distance we call it 2a, so that the center, from the center here it will be a and here it will be a. So this is the electric dipole. So what is electric dipole? Electric dipole is a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a very small distance. This is known as the dipole length. The strength of the dipole, strength of the dipole is given by or measured by dipole moment. Dipole moment, and that is P, and is defined as product of the magnitude of the either charge into dipole length. It's a vector quantity. It's a vector quantity. तो vector quantity से उसकी डायरेक्शन कहाँ होगी? So the direction is from negative to positive charge. So from negative to positive charge. So that is 2a. This 2a vector will be this side. So this P equals to Q into 2a, and the direction is from negative to positive charge. So means it is in this direction. तो P की डायरेक्शन यहाँ है. And what will be its unit? Its unit is coulomb meter. So unit is coulomb meter. Now electric field due to electric dipole. So first is axial position. Axial position, or we say end on position. Both is one and the same thing. End on position means here it is the dipole. This is plus Q and this is minus Q. This is 2a, and here is a point on the axis. We have to find the electric field at this point. So this is separated by R from the center. So from this charge, the distance will become R minus A. Sometimes students say A minus R. No, the distance is this to this is R, and this is to be separated so that we will get this. Similarly, distance from this negative charge to the point P will become R plus this length. So this length is A, so this will be R plus A. Now the electric field lines for the charge Q, that will be outward, so this will be E1. This is due to the positive charge, and due to the negative charge this will be inward, so this will be E2. Now as the electric fields are in opposite direction, so the net E will be E1 mod minus E2 mod. So the magnitude of E1 will be KQ upon R square. So this will be R minus A square minus KQ upon R plus A square. Here we need not to take negative sign because we have already considered this negative sign to show the direction of the electric field. इससे बार बार इनको नहीं लेना है और ये वैसे भी मैग्नीट्यूड है. So magnitude of anything is never negative, it is always positive. So just take the LCM R minus A square into R plus A whole square. So this KQ, this will be R plus A whole square minus KQ R minus A whole square. So that will be equals to KQ gets common, then R plus A is R plus A whole square minus R minus A whole square upon R minus A into R plus A. That will be, and whole square you can take once. So here you have A square minus B square. So you will get E equals to KQ A plus B and A minus B. So A plus B means R plus A plus R minus A into R plus A minus R plus A upon A, R minus A, R plus A is again R square minus A square, and this is whole square. Now you can have R, A cancelled, then here R and R will cancel. So you'll get KQ 2R into 2A upon R square minus A square whole square. ये A से कट जाएगा, R and R 2R बच जाएगा, यहाँ से R से R कटेगा और A plus A 2A हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर E की जो वैल्यू होगी that will become KQ 2R into 2A upon R square minus A square. और Q into 2A को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? P लिख सकते हैं. तो P is equal to Q into 2A होता है. So we can write K 2P into R upon R square minus A square whole square. So the magnet, अगर वेक्टर पोजीशन में रखना हो तो where is the direction of P? The direction of P is from negative to positive, and since E1 is KQ by R minus A whole square and E2 is KQ by R plus A whole square. E2 is in this direction and E1 in this direction. Everything is same, KQ and then, but only the thing, this factor is greater than this factor. So this value will be greater. So this will come along the direction of E1, that means from negative to positive charge. So we can simply write it 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p vector R upon R square minus A square whole square. So this will be the net value of the electric field in the vector form, because the direction of the E will be same as that of the P. So you can write this. Now for a short dipole, for a short dipole, R is very, very large than A. So we can simply write E equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p R upon R power 4, and so this will cancel out by this. So you get 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon R cube. That means electric field is inversely proportional to the cube of the distance of the point from the center of the dipole. If the distance of the point is doubled, then by what factor this electric field will change? So it will become 1/4? No, it will become 1/8, because the electric field of a point charge was inversely proportional to the square. वहाँ आप स्क्वायर करते थे तो 2 का डबल होने से 4r स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या होगा, क्यूब है, तो इट विल बी 2r क्यूब, दैट मीन्स 8r cube. So it will be 1/8 of the इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, इनिशियल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। तो डिस्टेंस डबल करने से वो 1/8 हो जाएगा, ट्रिपल करने से 1/27 हो जाएगा, और अगर हाफ कर दें डिस्टेंस then it will become 8 times, whereas electric field due to a point charge will be 4 times if the distance is half. If the distance is doubled, it will become 1/4. If distance is tripled, then it becomes 1/9. But in case of the short dipole, if the distance is doubled, then it will be 1/8